Ready, ready, ready. Good. Okay, feet on the floor. Okay, engine instruments are green. Airspeed is alive. And rotate at 55. That's a right rudder. Oh, that's just the wheels. Yeah, no. Okay, everything's good. Instruments are good. Okay, a little higher.
Like in pattern altitude before we leave the runway.
Yeah, we can do that.
No, we are already.
Oh, yeah.
Aren't we?
Not yet. We're not yet. 200 more.
Almost.
Okay, 74 is good. And I'm gonna just level off for a second. All right, and clear right.
Yeah, I didn't understand how San Bernardino before could be without a tower with these big airplanes coming in. But he's probably not very busy either.
No. Sorry, dude. Woo! Oh boy. Alright, let's try 2400. Stay at 3000.
So we're 2126.
There's no tower.
Change proof.
Okay, thank you for your help today. 2126 Foxtrot.
There's no tower in Riverside, right?
Oh, I need to. Oh, there is a tower.
Oh, okay.
121. I got it right there, yeah. And Riverside Tower, Skyhawk 2126 Foxtrot is 6 miles to the northeast, inbound for landing with Alpha.
Car 2126 Foxtrot, Riverside Tower, report a 3-mile right base, runway 27.
Report a 3-mile right base for runway 27, 2126 Foxtrot. And I'm sorry, I was actually 10 miles to the northeast, 2126 Foxtrot.
Roger, inbound for the 10 miles northeast, understand, just report a 3-mile right base.
2126 Foxtrot, 3-mile right base. He's a really nice guy. I've been in here where he has had 20 airplanes, and he's the most calm controller ever. And 2126 Foxtrot, we kind of ended up on a straight in too.
Cessna 26 Foxtrot, thank you. Ident, please.
Ident, 2126 Foxtrot.
26 Foxtrot, ident observed 7 miles northeast of the airport. Do you see that freeway that's right below you that goes to the southwest? That's the 91 freeway, 215.
Yes, 2126 Foxtrot.
26 Foxtrot. Just follow that freeway and that'll turn you in 3-mile final.
All right, 2126 Foxtrot. No, it's definitely...
Is that Riverside?
That's Flaybob. Yep, you're right. That's the wrong one. So he wants me to follow this freeway.
Yeah. Okay.
But that's Flaybob.
Interesting. Airports so close to each other.
That's why I wanted you to be here with me. So
26 Foxtrot, do you see the Riverside Airport about 1 o'clock, 4 miles?
Airport in sight, 2126 Foxtrot.
Foxtrot, disregard their position report, runway 27, cleared to land.
Runway 27, cleared to land, 2126 Foxtrot. And 2126 Foxtrot will be doing a full stop to transient parking.
26 Foxtrot, roger.
How nice he is.
Very nice.
All right, so it feels like we're there. Let's see how this works out. First set of flaps. Okay, above glide slope. It's good. First set of flaps. Let's slow down more. This has a little hump at the beginning, so it's a little...
How long is the runway?
It's very long. We have 5,400 feet.
Okay.
All right, here's glide slope. Let's stay on glide slope, 70 knots. No more flaps right now. Still glide slope high, it's fine. For the 1,000-foot mark for once. No slower than that.
Alright, we're getting into the glide slope now.
Calling 37 Mike, good day, frequency change approved.
Alright, we are a little to the left.
Yep.
Frequency change approved, thank you very much. We'll see you in a bit. 9137 Mike.
See how it drops here?
Yeah. Don't flare too early. There you go, perfect, beautiful, oh nice.
Yeah, I still know how to land.
That was nice.
That one was nice.
And out of the first taxiway, nice.
Cessna 2126 Foxtrot, when able turn left, and now taxi straight ahead down the hill, that's taxiway Echo, onto the ramp and taxi to transient parking.
Alright, Echo down the hill to transient, 2126 Foxtrot.